Italian prosecutors have accused 7 individuals and 2 subcontractors of fraud and violating airplane safety regulations in connection with defective parts that were produced for Boeing's 787 Dreamliner. The investigation, which was initiated in late 2021, revealed that subcontractors allegedly used cheaper, non compliant titanium and aluminum to manufacture parts, compromising their structural integrity and aviation safety. Among those accused are Antonio Ingrosso, owner of Manufacturing Process Specification, also known as MPS, and his father Vincenzo. Prosecutors found at least 4,829 non compliant titanium components and 1,158 aluminum components. Boeing and its Italian partner Leonardo are considered victims in this case and have cooperated with the investigation, Reuters has reported. The accused will have the opportunity to present evidence in their defense before a potential trial.